Hi, my name is Mahi Rajura. I am the captain of team JP Innovations. We are from JP School from Bulandshahr. Today we are here to represent our innovative project named as Smart Helmet, named as Rakshak Helmet. This is basically a smart helmet which works on some of the key features, such as it ensures that the person must wear the helmet while riding a two-wheeler. It ensures that the person is not drunk while riding a two-wheeler, and it ensures that in case of any sort of emergency, an emergency message in form of SMS and call will be sent to the SOS contacts of the rider along with his current coordinates, and the SMS will be sent to the nearby police station and hospital too, so that the life of the rider will be saved. And let me show you the functioning of our project now. Basically, we have firstly used IR sensor and touch sensor to make sure that the rider must wear the helmet while riding a two-wheeler. And if the rider has not worn the helmet, the bike engine will not start, as the bike engine is already connected via Bluetooth to the Arduino. And secondly, we have used MQ3 sensor to make sure that the rider is not drunk while riding a two-wheeler. Will produce a beep. Is it working? Fix the intensity first. Let me fix the intensity first, then I will show you. It will produce a beep if the consumption of alcohol in the rider's breath is more than a certain amount we have fixed. Then it will produce the beep, means the surrounded people will also get informed about that the rider is drunk and they will not let him drive. And in case there is no one, the bike engine will be stopped, as it is also connected to the Arduino, I have already told you. After that, the rider, if in case of any sort of emergency, if the rider faces any mishappening, means any accident, the rider meets any kind of accident, means the helmet will experience a jerk, means jhatka. For that we have used accelerometer, which will sense that and send signal to the Arduino. And the SMS of emergency, means SOS contacts, SMS will be sent to the contacts with his current coordinates, which will be connected via GPS module. And GSM module will be used to send the SMS to the SOS contacts and the nearby police station and hospital. So let me show you the intensity fix.
Actually, buzzer. Where's the buzzer?
Actually, buzzer is not here, but it has shown the light. It means that it is alcohol, means the ethanol, which means it has a high level of alcohol, which is more than the frequency of the look. It produces the beep, means the surrounded people will get informed about it. And if we talk about the competitive landscape of our project, there are so many smart helmets available in the market already. And whenever we hear about any kind of smart helmet, we actually think of something basic. But what we think is that safety is what everyone deserves. Means as we have connected the helmet through Bluetooth to the bike's engine, we will connect to the more bike companies, which will make sure that we implement this feature in their bike on the manufacturing time only. And the tagline of our project is Rakshak Banega Aapka Surakshak, means this product will ensure that you will be safe while riding a two-wheeler, no matter you are a middle class or you are a rich, which means that you deserve safety and you will get it through our project. Thank you so much.